It's important for a man to have people that he can resonate with. If you don't have anyone you can talk to, you don't have a community, you don't have a WhatsApp group, you don't have a few people that will sometimes listen to your shit, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. Your life's going to suck. And if you think that speaking to your woman about your issues or things that are on your mind is a good idea, then you'd be mistaken, my friend. That would be a very stupid idea to tell your woman all your potential issues. So definitely don't do that, my guy. Which is one of the reasons why I created my school community. I'll put a link in the description of my masculine medicine community, right? We've got about 29 people in there as of this morning. It's in early stages. You will be one of the sort of early founding members, if you like, of the group. And the purpose of me putting that together is to not only pass my wisdom on in regards to the 3 pillars of masculinity, but it's also to get men in a group talking about things and helping each other out. It's about getting top elite men in a group who understand, some of them understand longevity and fitness very well. Some of them understand business very well, like myself. Some of them understand dating very well, also like myself. There are other dating gurus in that community. There are a few longevity guys who will tell you what sort of pills you should take and what sort of vitamins and multivitamins and whether you should take TRT or not. You know how I feel about that, so I'll definitely be putting my opinion forward. But the point is that you need other men around you who are ambitious, who are doing shit with their lives. You don't want losers around you, man. You don't want losers. You don't want to be. If you've got losers around you, your life's fucked. It really is. You'll have a terrible life. You'll have a terrible life if you've got the wrong people around you. You're all extremely moldable and you're all extremely malleable and you're malleable to the environment that you're in. So if you're in the wrong environment, you're going to get destroyed, dude. You're going to be so bad, man. Hang around the wrong people who drink and take drugs and who are like depressed and I don't know, who are just like, incels and who like speak badly about women and who are just negative in general. That fucking sucks, dude. Your life's going to be shit if that's the case. So I'm offering you a chance to get out of that. I'm offering you a chance to join my community, to join people who I have built relationships with over 20 years. To also have a chance to talk to me directly in the Q&As, to ask me any questions. We did our first Q&A yesterday and I posted it up in the community. So look, ultimately, I'm doing this because I want not only myself to be part of this community and to lead these men into the light, but also for you to have somewhere to go to when you're having issues or when you want to like discuss problems or you want to evolve, you want to work out why you're not, I don't know, growing your arm muscles or your legs are not growing fast enough or your whatever it might be, any man problem. There's no judgment whatsoever. You might have had erectile dysfunction. You might have struggled like with your sexual performance with this girl. You might have struggled with a breakup. Whatever it is, we men are in that group together to help each other because the idea is to be able to resonate with other men. I'm doing this video because it's all about resonating with other men. Do you resonate with other men? Can you talk to them? Do they listen to you? Do they give you the time of day? Do they give you any sort of advice? If you don't have that, your quality of life is going to be shit. I'm telling you, it's going to be shit. All men need other men to be able to rely on and to talk to and to just discuss their problems with. Every man needs that. Every man needs that, no matter who you are. Every man just wants to shoot the shit in a room with their boys, discuss it, and be in a judge-free zone, okay? A judgment-free zone. You don't want to be judged. You don't want to be like, oh, now I've told them about this issue and now they're going to sit there and judge me. Oh, I've appeared weak. No, it's not about appearing weak. In the group, you're okay to appear weak and to be vulnerable and to show that you have struggled or something, hasn't gone your way. But then when you go out into the world, you don't need to show that same vulnerability because you've already shown it within the group, okay? You've shown it within the community. You've shown it with these men who care, who help you. I care. I will definitely be helping you. My friends have helped me. I've helped them over the years. I've helped a lot more people than have helped me, I'll be honest. But once you do that, then you can go out into the world and then you can put on that brave face because you've already dealt with the vulnerabilities within the group, within the men that resonate with you, with the men that care. So click the link in the description and go to that community and join my community. I'd love to see you in there. And again, we are here to rise each other up. And if you don't have men that you can't resonate with, that you can't be in a group with, that you can't talk to openly, that you can't be honest with, then the quality of your life is going to suffer massively. You do not tell your woman or your parents your problems all the time. They don't want to hear it. You're just going to upset them. You don't want to go to people with your problems. You want to go to people with your positive news and the fact that you're full of life. Okay, the problems can be saved for your close group of friends or communities like this, because a lot of you don't have close groups that you can discuss these sorts of things with. And most men today are extremely lonely, and we must solve that. So click below, join the group, look forward to seeing you in there, and look forward to doing more videos in my new destination here in Bucharest, which I'll be for about 2 or 3 months.